सबसे पहले सूर्या, गौती भाई और सारे टीम इंडिया के प्लेयर, मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। मैं टीम इंडिया के साथ साथ साउथ अफ्रीकन टीम और इंग्लैंड टीम जो नॉकआउट के पहले एक भी गेम नहीं हारी है, उनको भी बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। एंड फाइनली फाइनलिस्ट न्यूजीलैंड क्रिकेट टीम, the way they perform, the way they work hard on the field, congratulations to them as well. वैसे तो मैं सार्वजनिक मंच में ज़्यादा जाता नहीं हूँ, लेकिन राहुल भाई हर बार मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ कारण से बुला लेते हैं। 2019 जब मैंने बीसीसीआई ज्वाइन किया और 2019 से 2026 ये 7 साल में टीम इंडिया ने 2 अंडर-19 मेंस वर्ल्ड कप, 2 अंडर-19 विमेंस वर्ल्ड कप, 2 बार रनर्स अप WTC फाइनल में, 1 बार रनर्स अप ODI में, 2 बार कंसेक्यूटिव T20 में चैंपियनशिप और 2025 में चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी। ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई उसके लिए। और मेरे को याद है क्योंकि मैं क्रिकेट को 1998 से फॉलो करता हूं और एज ए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर 2009 से मैं क्रिकेट संभाल रहा हूं। जैसे एक टाइम पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया का टाइम था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया मतलब जीत, ऐसे टीम इंडिया मतलब जीत, ऐसा आज हो गया है। अब मैं इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल की बात करना चाहूँगा। ये ICC का वर्ल्ड कप इतना इम्पोर्टेंट था क्योंकि बहुत लोग ICC का वर्ल्ड कप चालू करने से पहले चर्चा कर रहे थे ये टीम खेलेगी कि नहीं खेलेगी, वर्ल्ड कप कैसे होगा। लेकिन ऐसे ICC का अध्यक्ष मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बड़ी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है, कोई एक टीम से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं बनती है, सारी टीम मिला के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनती है। और आप सब जानते हो कि व्यूअरशिप में भी इस बार वर्ल्ड कप ने सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए। फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिस्ट्री we got 7.2 million concurrent views और नॉर्मल व्यूअरशिप तो सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए। इसलिए ये वर्ल्ड कप बहुत महत्वपूर्ण साबित हुआ। और आप सेटबैक देखेंगे और सरप्राइजिंग, जैसे USA ने पहली गेम में इंडिया को बहुत हार्ड टाइम दिया, नीदरलैंड ने पाकिस्तान को हार्ड टाइम दिया, जिम्बाब्वे ने तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हरा ही दिया और नेपाल ने इंग्लैंड को हार्ड टाइम दिया। इसलिए मैं सारे एसोसिएट को भी बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं कि फुल बोर्ड मेंबर के सामने उन्होंने इतनी लड़ाई लड़ी। मैं फिर से गौतम भाई, सूर्या और ये मंच के माध्यम से सारी टीम को एक संदेश देना चाहता हूं क्योंकि ये मेरे 17वां साल है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर के नाते। टॉप से बॉटम जाने में महीनों लगते हैं, लेकिन बॉटम से टॉप में जाने में सालों लगते हैं। आपको तो सिर्फ सस्टेन ही करना है, बहुत आसान है, इसलिए आप इतनी मेहनत करना, ऐसी तरह से आपको हर साल अवार्ड मिलते जाए। और जब मैं BCCI में था तब मैंने 2028 के ओलंपिक तक प्लानिंग की थी, लेकिन सूर्या मैं भी चला गया, मैं ICC में आया, मेरी जगह BCCI में और लोग आए। आप सबको मिलके 2030 की भी तैयारी करनी है, 2032 की भी तैयारी करनी है, 2036 कहाँ आने वाला आपको मालूम है, उसकी भी तैयारी करनी है। फिर से पीयूष जी आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। CNBC न्यूज़ 18 आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
Thank you very much, Mr. Shah, for joining us here. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. He set the agenda all the way to the 2036 Olympics. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us here this evening. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there is a saying in sport, champions are made in the hours that nobody sees. In the training sessions, the team meetings, and the quiet conversations that rebuild conversation and confidence when it matters the most. The Excellence in Sport Award recognizes the person and the team that creates those conditions. This year, the Excellence in Sports Award goes to Gautam Gambhir, the head coach of the Indian cricket team. Please join me in welcoming him on stage. Congratulations, Gautam. The mic is all yours.
Look, I want to thank TB18, I want to thank the jury, I want to thank Piyush sir as well, and most importantly, I want to thank Jai Bhai for trusting me with this job. Obviously, staying by me during my lows as well. I've seen a lot of lows during my tenure as well. So thank you for trusting me with this job. And last but not the least, I want to thank everyone in that dressing room who made me a successful coach. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Gautam. Congratulations once again. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Gautam Gambhir.
Thank you. Thanks so very much, Shireen. The Sports Leader of the Year honors someone who has defined what it means to lead in sport, not just through results, but through the way they play, the way they carry themselves, and the way they inspire others to be even better.
The Sports Leader of the Year award goes to Surya Kumar Yadav, captain of the Indian T20 cricket team. 360 degrees with the bat, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome Surya Kumar Yadav with a huge round of applause. Unflappable with the armband, and 6 days ago a World Cup winning captain in front of his home crowd. There is nobody quite like him in the world of cricket right now. Sky 360 degrees on the field, but let's get a full picture of it too. Over to you, Shireen.
Thank you very much. I have to tell, yes, please. I have to tell you that there is a lot of very envious people in this room and those watching us online that I'm getting to do this interview with you, Sky. So congratulations once again. But let me start by asking you, at the start of the World Cup, what was the feeling? What were you telling the team? What was going on in the dressing room, especially on the final day?
Obviously, we were very, very happy as we got to know that this event is going to be in India. We were very happy, at the same time nervous as well. If there's no pressure, we are not nervous, there won't be any fun in playing this sport. But as soon as we got to know that it's going to happen in India, everyone was excited, dressing room was happy. Yes, there was pressure, but then I think the dressing room was very, very happy that we're going to play in India.
What is the captaincy mantra? What is your leadership style as a captain? You're a 360-degree player, but what is it that you believe is your true mantra for success and strength?
I feel irrespective of what happens on the ground or on that field, when you come out of the field, you're just another man or you're just another woman when you're playing that game. So you can't carry, irrespective if you're doing well, not doing well, to your home, to your friends, to your family, just leave it on the ground. All those small things, I think that really matter to me. And that dressing room, I think it's very important to hear everyone out. The freedom of speech, that is very important, that dressing room. We listened to everyone, what they wanted, but yeah, at the end of the day, the goal was same.
The goal was the same, but you talked about the freedom of speech and the fact that it's a very democratic culture as far as the dressing room is concerned. But at the end of the day, how do you make sense of all the opinion that comes your way, and how do you decide what decision to take?
See, sometimes it's a good headache to have, listening to everyone, because yes, everyone has different ideas, different plans. But we have to be on same page. A goal is one, so everyone moves in a perfect direction. But yeah, there's a lot of fun, banter, good decisions being made. Sometimes people won't be happy as well. But yeah, that's a very happy dressing room.
What was your most memorable moment of this World Cup?
Lifting that trophy at the Narendra...
Outside of that!
No, I mean, see, when you're playing this sport, you start such lovely tournament. Outside sport, there are a lot of moments when you see the families happy, as he rightly said, the administrators happy. I mean, seeing everyone happy is a very good thing. But yeah, lifting that trophy together in that lovely stadium, I think that was a happy moment.
Mr. Shah has laid out the agenda all the way to 2036 on what needs to be done by the team. What's next? What are you working towards?
I think after this, definitely 2028 LA Olympics is definitely on the cards. Because that cricket is entering in that event for the first time. It is going to be very special. Yes, we relax for a bit for some time, but then we start our journey to achieve something special in 2028.
Olympic gold?
Definitely Olympic gold is on the cards, yes.
And Olympic gold. Sky, thank you very, very much for joining us here this evening.